sizzling chicken, golden grill marks, and that aroma. This is Vietnamese grilled chicken noodle bowl Bún Thịt gà xá ớt. Super delicious, but also super healthy. We start with lemongrass. This is the star of our show. The more, the better. Use just the white part, that is where all the flavor is, and crush the stalk before chopping. That is how you get all those fragrant oils out for maximum flavor. Garlic is next, absolutely essential. Yes, it takes a minute to mince, but it is totally worth it in my opinion. Let's make the marinade. To add to our aromatics, we're going to add fish sauce. Obviously, it's a Vietnamese recipe. I always do equal parts of fish sauce and sugar. Today I'm using brown sugar for a perfect sweet and savory balance. Now add your thick chicken thighs, mix well, and you want to marinate your chicken for at least 1 hour in the refrigerator. The longer, the better. Sometimes I make a big batch at the beginning of the week and then I cook it as needed. No time to grill? Pop it in the air fryer or toaster oven. Still amazing. Now let's get our grilling pan nice and hot. You want the pan hot because you want those beautiful sear marks that is so delicious and it just looks so appetizing. Listen to that sizzle. Am I the only one who gets hungry from that sound? Once the chicken hits the pan, leave it alone for a few minutes, okay? Don't touch it. Let it brown. Browning equals flavor. Now look at that crust. Now some of you may prefer chicken breast. If you do prefer chicken breast, just make sure you don't overcook it. It dries out very fast on high heat. Now tell me in the comments, are you team chicken thighs like me or are you team chicken breast? Once your chicken is cooked, take it off the pan and let it rest a bit before slicing. You want to make sure that all the juices goes back into the chicken. Now let's talk serving. If you want everyone to build their own bowl, lay everything out. Rice noodles, pickled carrots, cucumbers, herbs, and of course the nước mắm dipping sauce. Or if your crew prefers to just stuff their face and let you do all the work, well, go ahead and build each a bowl. Start with noodles, pile on veggies and herbs, and lay the chicken on top and drizzle with that sauce. Not only is this meal packed with flavor, it is also high in protein and well balanced. Perfect before and after a workout or just a feel-good meal any day of the week. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you next time for another simple and delicious Vietnamese recipe.